Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unfollow a profile directly from one of their posts on the Facebook app for PC using the latest update. Whether you want to clean up your newsfeed or just take a break from someone's post, this quick guide will help you do it in just a few steps. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can see your home feed right away. This is where all the new posts from friends, pages, and groups appear. Next, scroll through your homepage until you find a post from the account you want to unfollow. It could be a friend, a page you've liked, or someone you followed recently. Don't worry, you don't need to visit their profile. Everything can be done directly from this post. Once you've found the post, move your mouse to the top right corner of it. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots in a row. Click on those 3 dots to open a menu with several options related to that post. In that menu, look for an option that says Unfollow, followed by the person's or page's name. For example, Unfollow Sarah or Unfollow Tech World. Click on it and that's it. You've successfully unfollowed them. After you do this, you'll still stay friends or keep the page liked, depending on your connection, but you'll no longer see their new posts in your newsfeed. It's a simple way to control what appears on your timeline without completely cutting ties. Facebook's latest update has made it faster and easier to manage your feed right from any post. So whenever someone's content starts showing up a little too often, you now know exactly how to adjust it with a couple of clicks. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Facebook tips and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.